Everybody, welcome to my channel. Today I'm doing a toy review of Dino Series 5, and it's the Chasmosaurus. As you can see, this is the beautiful Chasmosaurus. His legs can move and the head can also move, but not the tail. And also you get this caveman, and also you get this skull piece that's supposed to come on the Chasmosaurus, and also this is the caveman's weapon. And Dino Valley is based on Dino Rescue, and this is from Chapmei Toys, and this is from the 1990s to 2023. And I bought this beautiful playset at a shop called Crazy Store. I'm not sure what year I bought it. Thank you for watching this video. Please don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel, and please leave a comment in the comment box below, and please share the links to my videos. If toy companies want to contact me for future sponsorships, my email is in a link in the description box below, and I'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Bye.